Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Scientific Talk. Today, we're uncovering one of the most powerful and undervalued tools for enhancing your performance, creativity, and well-being: sleep. Often overlooked or sacrificed for modern demands, sleep is the ultimate life hacker that can make you smarter, healthier, and happier. From improving athletic performance to unlocking creativity and protecting your brain from devastating diseases, sleep is a cornerstone of human success. Imagine being handed a magic formula that boosts your memory, sharpens decision-making, enhances physical endurance, and even fortifies emotional resilience. It's completely free and has been with us since the dawn of life. That magic formula is sleep. Yet, in today's fast-paced world, is the first thing we cut when juggling work, entertainment, or social obligations. Let's explore why sleep deserves to be your number one priority. Sleep doesn't just impact your body, it's vital for your brain. Every day your brain absorbs a flood of information. Without sleep, it's like stuffing a library full of books, but leaving them in disorganized piles. Sleep acts as the librarian, sorting and filing memories for easy retrieval. Sleep helps your brain store memories and strengthen neural connections. Interestingly, sleeping before learning is just as important. Think of your brain as a chalkboard. It needs to be wiped clean to absorb new information. Studies back this up. Sleep deprivation before a learning session can reduce your ability to form new memories by 40%. In one study, participants were divided into two groups. One that was sleep deprived for 36 hours and another that slept normally. Both groups were then asked to memorize a list of words with varying emotional content: negative, positive, and neutral. The sleep-deprived group showed a significant overall reduction in memory retention. When analyzing the data based on the emotional content of the words, the researchers found that sleep deprivation had the biggest impact on remembering neutral and positive words, with a 59% retention drop. Interestingly, negative emotional memories were less affected. Elite athletes show us the profound impact of sleep on physical performance. In a study with NBA players, those who increased their nightly sleep to 10 hours experienced remarkable improvements. Shooting accuracy for free throws and three-pointers increased by 9%, while their sprinting speed and reaction times improved significantly. Tennis players served more accurately, and swimmers shaved milliseconds off their times. During deep sleep, the body repairs muscles, strengthens the immune system, and replenishes glycogen stores, essential for energy during intense activity. It's like hitting a reset button, ensuring you wake up not just refreshed, but physically stronger. While your brain is hard at work consolidating memories and dreaming, your body is also undergoing critical repair processes. During deep sleep, your pituitary gland releases growth hormone, aiding in muscle repair and tissue growth. Your immune system produces infection-fighting cells, and your brain flushes out toxins through the lymphatic system, including beta amyloid, a protein linked to Alzheimer's disease. Sleep deprivation, on the other hand, severely harms your body. Chronic sleep loss increases the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and cognitive decline. Even one night of poor sleep can spike blood sugar levels, weaken immunity, and impair decision-making, comparable to being legally intoxicated. Let's talk about a critical, often overlooked aspect of sleep: its role in preventing injuries and speeding up recovery. While most of us know that sleep is vital for mental clarity and physical performance, its impact on injury risk is just as profound. In fact, research has shown that the amount and quality of sleep you get can significantly influence how vulnerable you are to getting hurt and how quickly you bounce back if you do. Imagine this: you're an athlete, training hard every day, you've optimized your diet, your workout routine, and even your hydration, but you're getting only 5 or 6 hours of sleep a night. No matter how disciplined you are in other areas, lack of sleep undermines everything. Studies have found that athletes who sleep fewer than 6 hours per night are at a 70% higher risk of injury compared to those who get 8 or more hours of sleep. That's a staggering difference, and it underscores how sleep deprivation compromises your body's ability to repair itself and function optimally. But how does that work? For starters, sleep is when your body enters repair mode. During the deep stages of non-REM sleep, the pituitary gland releases growth hormone, which is essential for tissue repair and muscle recovery. At the same time, your immune system goes into high gear, producing cytokines, proteins that help fight inflammation and heal damaged tissues. Without adequate sleep, these processes are disrupted, leaving you more susceptible to strains, sprains, and overuse injuries. But it's not just about recovery. Sleep also plays a critical role in motor coordination and reaction time, both of which are essential for avoiding injuries in the first place. Imagine you're running on a soccer field or navigating a steep hiking trail. Sleep deprivation slows your reflexes, making it harder to adjust to sudden changes or obstacles. In high-risk environments, whether on the playing field, at work, or even behind the wheel, this slowness means the difference between safety and injury. Here is a real example in sports. A study of college athletes found that those who consistently got fewer than 6 hours of sleep a night had significantly higher injury rates compared to their well-rested peers. Another study on adolescent athletes showed that the likelihood of injury decreased dramatically with each additional hour of sleep. These findings highlight an important point. Sleep isn't just a luxury, it's a non-negotiable part of peak performance and safety. Have you ever woken up with the solution to a problem? REM sleep, the stage where most dreaming occurs, is a workshop for innovation. During REM, your brain connects seemingly unrelated ideas, breaking free from the constraints of logic. This is why so many creative breakthroughs are linked to dreams. Paul McCartney dreamt the melody for Yesterday, Einstein credited sleep with sparking his theory of relativity, and Salvador Dali famously used the edge of sleep for artistic inspiration. Even everyday people benefit from this phenomenon. The Number Reduction Task (NRT) study highlights the critical role of sleep in problem solving and gaining insight into hidden patterns. In one study, participants were trained on a cognitive task involving sequences of digits processed according to specific rules, with a hidden shortcut embedded in the task that, if discovered, would allow for more efficient problem solving. The results were striking. Participants who slept after the initial training session were significantly more likely to discover the hidden pattern upon retesting compared to those who remained awake. This suggests that sleep, particularly its distinct stages, facilitates the reorganization of memory and enhances problem-solving abilities. The study further explored the effects of different sleep stages, finding that early night sleep, rich in slow-wave sleep, and late night sleep, rich in REM sleep, may play unique roles in promoting cognitive insight. This experiment emphasizes the importance of sleep in fostering creativity and abstract thinking by allowing the brain to reorganize and reprocess information, leading to breakthroughs that waking cognition alone might not achieve. In addition to fostering creativity, sleep is also essential for emotional regulation. Ever notice how a sleepless night leaves you irritable and overly reactive? During REM sleep, your brain replays emotional experiences in a low-stress environment, reducing their intensity. It's like overnight therapy, helping you wake up calmer and more resilient. Without enough sleep, the amygdala, the brain's fear center, becomes hyperactive, making minor problems feel overwhelming. Studies show that sufficient REM sleep helps manage stress and lowers the risk of anxiety and depression. Sleep is your emotional safety net, providing a reset for your mental health. You don't have to be an athlete or a scientist to benefit from sleep. It's something we all need to function at our best. Babies spend half their sleep time in REM, supporting rapid brain development. As adults, we still need 7 to 9 hours of sleep to thrive. And it's not just about quantity, quality matters too. Interrupted or fragmented sleep robs you of its full benefits, which is why creating a sleep-friendly environment is so important. Keep your room cool, dark and quiet, and minimize screen time before bed. Even small changes like using blue light filters or dimming your lights in the evening can make a big difference. Sleep is not a passive state. It's an active process that sharpens your mind, strengthens your body, and fortifies your emotions. Whether you're an athlete seeking peak performance, a student preparing for exams, or simply someone aiming to feel and function better, sleep is the foundation of success. As Shakespeare aptly said, sleep is nature's soft nurse. It's free, natural, and incredibly effective. The next time you're tempted to cut corners on rest, remember, every hour of sleep is an investment in your health, happiness, and future. What do you think about today's topic? If you've had a dream that solved a problem or inspired an idea, share it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.